Hey guys, welcome back. Zachary with Sell This Flipping Cars, and do I have a treat for you from OEDRO and Motor? They sent us the brightest LED light bars this side of the Mississippi. I'm telling you, you are going to love this. Stay tuned, guys. We're going to walk through these LED light bars. Look at the quality, look at the strength, look at the light. Look how many lumens this thing is bringing, because we are going to take this thing to the middle of the ocean. All right, stay tuned, guys. Welcome back. Zachary with Sell This Flipping Cars with my best helper, Xavier, and we are going to jump in LED light bars, modifications to off-road vehicles. Just so happens, we're going to throw these LED light bars on the new yacht and see how these puppies actually measure up in the darkness of the ocean. We want to make sure that we are covered when we're out there, as some dock lights get taken to the next level. Now, you can also use this on your Jeep and your off-road vehicles, so hey, definitely stay tuned, guys. These are some great quality. We're going to go through the lumens, we're going to go through the strength, and we're going to go through the durability of these lights to see if they can pass the test that you need them to pass. So here we go. Stay tuned, guys. Let's jump in.
Alright guys, so here we go. We have the OEDRO LED light bars. These are the two 18-inch that Motor went ahead and sent over to us. And as you can tell, they are wrapped in styrofoam. They are okay, great to ship. When you take it out of the styrofoam, you're going to have the LED light bar right there, the harness, and the mounting hardware. The wiring is great to use in a marine environment. Just make sure that you heat shrink, use the butt connectors to put those wires together and heat shrink them together. There you go, they are marine grade. The light bars themselves are waterproof, and they have an amazing aluminum alloy housing on them with an inline relay to prevent from any power surges in the system. You can also see right there, you have a switch on it as well. But if you want to see a little bit cooler of a switch, we are going to wire in a six gang rocker panel switch on the yacht to work all these lights. I'm really looking forward to that. Definitely stay tuned for that, guys. You do see right there in the package, it comes with all the hardware that you need to get these puppies mounted up on the application you're using it. Now, if you're using this in a Jeep or off-road environment, you are going to love this light. This thing is on a budget, and this thing is shining over 30,000 lumens. Okay, that's for an 18-inch bar. You can get these with Amazon Prime. You can have it the next day. You look at the housing on that thing. You have the fins on there to improve the cooling of the light. You definitely don't want this light overheating while you are needing the brightest light ever. So those fins are definitely ideal when it comes to this LED light bar. So OEDRO definitely, I think, did an amazing job on this light bar. As you can see, they had the machined bolts right there on the front, the rivets holding the front cover on. I mean, with the price on this thing, it's if you ever do have to replace it, it's not bad. Now, I did try the 18-inch and the 52-inch curved LED light bar that OEDRO sends, and I'm telling you now, the thing is absolutely amazing. I love it. I mean, the thing is just bright. I know I'll show you in just a second how bright this puppy goes. But right now, it's all about the housing, the durability, and make sure that this thing is going to last what you want it to go through. It is a rugged build. I have mine mounted on the outside of our boat to increase any nighttime docking that we're doing or emergency situations. If you are using this at night and you have it on your vehicle, don't be one of those people and shine, this thing while going down the highway. This is 30,000 lumens. It is going to blind someone. As you see, they have the bolts right there on the bottom. They slide up and down the housing. Very easy to install this to whatever application you're doing. It does come with mounts. If you want curved mounts, OEDRO also sends those as an upgrade package, which is always awesome. It's always nice to see that you can upgrade the light bars in another fashion if you want to see that. They also have different lights as well. As you can see now, this is the 52-inch white LED light bar. It's the curved model and is on the aft or the rear part of the boat, and it is amazing. It covers the back 180 degrees with it being curved. So it definitely answers all of the lighting needs that we are looking for right here on the boat. I did install the 18-inch LED light bars on the port and starboard side, or the left and right side of the boat, which is really nice. It provides a lot of light on that side, and that, I couldn't ask for any more than that. As you can see, it is like a double-decker LED build, so you have an upper and a lower level on those LEDs. OEDRO is offering a tri-level LED build as well, which is even brighter than the ones I have. But as you can see, it was really easy to install these. You're just putting the bolts, the support bolts, into whatever you're mounting it to, which if you're mounting it on a boat, make sure there is a board behind that fiberglass. You don't want to be just mounted to raw fiberglass. On a vehicle, super simple to install this and give the light that you need. As you can see, I'm hanging on to the side of the boat getting this content for you guys. I love you that much, and I want you to know that this product is absolutely amazing. For the price, hands down, OEDRO, took the gloves off on this one and gave us an amazing product. I really can't wait to, turn these on in the middle of the ocean. Right here, this is, we turned them on right there at the dock. That's the best we can do at the moment. It is storming season over here on the East Coast, so always fun, which you can see the lightning dancing in the background. But I wanted this video to show you how bright this 30,000 lumens is, not only from the 18-inch light bars, but that 52-inch monster right there in the back. This thing is bringing it. As you can see, it starts from about 6-7 feet away from the boat. It's a little dim till then, and then it gets super bright, and it goes all the way to about 100 to 120 feet away from the boat. Really, in between that 7 feet and the 70 feet is absolute sweet spot, and that's what we are wanting in case we do any docking at night, or one of my clumsy children fall off the boat. I want to make sure that I have enough light to pull them back out and everyone's safe. So you cannot put a price on that, but just so happens OEDRO did, and it's a great price. So make sure you check it. I'm going to throw it in the video link description down below. Also, if you love the video, make sure you smash that like button, hit the subscribe button if you have not subscribed to the channel yet, because we have a lot more product reviews and DIY auto repairs, saving you guys thousands of dollars this year. Put that money back into your pockets right there. As you can see, that 18-inch light bar right there is not on right now because OEDRO had to send me a replacement, which their customer service is absolutely amazing, and they got me a replacement ASAP. It came quickly, and that thing works just as amazing as the other 18-inch and the 52-inch on the back, which is great. It gives a lot of light to the right side, or the starboard side of the boat, and just amazing. I did notice that on my application, I need to widen the flybridge a little because the lights were a little cut off due to the edge of the flybridge itself. So not anything from the light, but more the application I'm using it. at the moment. I have to change it just a little. And absolutely amazed by OEDRO. I love what you guys sent, and I'm looking forward to putting a lot of hours on these LED light bars. Now, they are rating these light bars for over 50,000 hours of usage, so you're definitely going to get your money out of these light bars. Let me know what you think in the comment section down below. If you love these light bars, have you tried them? Have you not tried them? What application are you using it on? And let's see those pictures. Make sure you post them up. We give OEDRO some love in their reviews. Thanks, guys.
Wow. Udimotor, thank you so much. Those OEDRO light assemblies really light up the darkest of nights. I mean, those lumens are out of this world. Were they bright, bud?
Yep.
I mean, how bright were they?
So bright.
So bright. Man, a few words right there, people. But
almost burned my eye out.
Burned his eyes out. Oh my goodness. Now they're gonna think we're pulling their leg. Alright, guys, let's replay this. Let's look at these lights one more time. Xavier shouldn't have been looking at them, I know, but what can you do, kids, right? Check these lights out again, right? On, off. They didn't see you because we were showing them the lights. On, off. Alright, very bright. I was going to test them actually last night, but it was raining, and I want to get out of the boat and show you how bright these things are. I showed you on one side with one of the 18-inch bars. I showed you on the other side with the 52-inch bar. Now I want to show you on the other side with the other 18-inch bar. I mean, these things are amazing. Very easy to install, assemble, turn them on. And definitely stay tuned because we're going to go ahead and change ours a little bit in the very near future with a 6-way gang system on the yacht. So, hey, spruce it up a little bit. Definitely be able to add a few light assemblies if you have multiple light needs as well, just like us. What's up, bud?
Yeah, and that almost burned my eye out and made me grow lower.
Alright, it's not nuclear, so don't worry, you're not going to become a mutant like Xavier and grow another eyeball. Don't worry, but definitely is bright, and you hear I'm losing my voice. I got sick on this trip recording this video for the Kia Forte, so definitely stay tuned for that, guys. What?
It made me grow one than my old one tank.
Craziness. Alright guys, well let me know. If you like the video, smash the like button down below. And if you have not subscribed yet to the channel, make sure you smash that subscribe button to stay tuned for a lot more DIY auto repair that can save you hundreds and thousands of dollars this year on your auto repairs. So, until next time guys, keep on wrenching. Take care.